Dear students, in the previous class we have discussed about the Poisson distribution probability density function and the mean of the distribution, variance and standard deviation of the distribution. So we know that mean is equal to lambda and variance is also lambda and standard deviation is root lambda, and then the distribution is also called as distribution of rare events. This distribution can be applied when the things will happen in a rare cases. So now we see with the examples where we are going to apply the Poisson distribution. So now on coming to the problems, so the problem number 1, if the probability that an individual suffers with certain bad reaction from a certain injection is 0.001, determine the probability that out of 2000 individuals, exactly 3, first bit, more than 2 individuals, none, more than 1 individual suffer with a bad reaction. So here you can observe that the probability of getting a bad reaction is very, very small. The small p is probability of happening the event, that is very, very small. P 0.001, very, very small when compared to n value, and here n is given as 2000. So we can go for Poisson distribution. The Poisson distribution can be applied where the probability of the event is very small when compared to n value. N value 2000, the probability of happening of the event small p is 0.001. So we may use Poisson distribution. Here the parameter lambda, here mean is equal to, mean means lambda is equal to n into p, that is 2000 into 0.001, that is equal to 2. Lambda value 2. This is the parameter of the Poisson distribution. Now by Poisson distribution law, the probability of getting X bad reactions is e power minus lambda, lambda power x by x factorial, where x varies from 0, 1 to so on infinity. There is no upper limit. In binomial distribution, x varies from 0 to n. But here the Poisson distribution, the value of x varies from 0 to infinity because there is infinite population. Now the probability of getting 3 bad reactions. So in the first bit you have to find the probability of x is equal to 3. By Poisson law, P of x is equal to x. X persons will get bad reactions is e power minus lambda, lambda power x by x factorial. Or I can write P of x is equal to x is e power minus 2, lambda value 2 into 2 power x by x factorial. X is equal to 0, 1 to so on infinity. Now on coming to the first bit, we have to find the probability of 3 persons will get a bad reaction, exactly 3. That means on replacing x for 3, e power minus 2, 2 cube by 3 factorial. So 2 cube is equal to 8 and 3 factorial 6 and e power minus 2. So this value is equal to, so answer I will write directly 0.1804. So check with the calculator. Similarly, the second bit, the probability of x greater than 2, more than 2 will get a bad reaction. P of x greater than 2. That means we can write 1 minus P of x less than or equal to 2. That is 1 minus P of x is equal to 0 plus P of x is equal to 1 plus P of x is equal to 2. So I am putting x 0. 0 means, so when x is 0, what the value will become? P of 0 is equal to, here P of 0 e power minus 2, 2 power 0 by 0 factorial, that is 2 into 2 power 0 1, this is e power minus 2. Similarly p of 1 that is e power minus 2 power 1 by 2 1 factorial. So that is 2 into e power minus 2. Similarly p of 2 means e power minus 2 square by 2 factorial. That is also 2 square 4 by 2 into e power minus 2. So in substituting, therefore p of x greater than 2 is equal to 1 minus first value e power minus 2 into e power minus 2, this third value also 2 into e power minus 2. That is 1 minus 2 plus 2 4 plus 1 5 e power minus 2, or 1 minus 5 by e square. So this value will become 3233. 0.3233. Next, the third one. What is the third case probability? Probability of x greater than 1. More than 1 will get a bad reaction. So probability of x greater than 1 can be written as 1 minus p of x less than or equal to 1. That is 1 minus p of 0 plus p of 1. So already we have calculated what is p of 0. P of 0 is e power minus 2. P of 1 is 2 e power minus 2. This is 1 minus 3 e power minus 2. And on calculating, it's calculate 5939. P of x less than or equal to 1. P of 0 plus P of 1. So 1 minus 3 e power minus 2. So using the calculator 0.5939. Right. Now on P of x is equal to 0. Exactly 0. We'll get no bad reactions. P of x is equal to 0 means this is e power minus lambda power x by x factorial. That is e power minus 2 only. The value is equal to 0.1353. Right. And the expected frequency. How many persons will get a bad reaction? So here reading the problem, the probability that an individual out of 2 individual, exactly 3 will get a bad reaction. So now we have to find the expected frequency. Expected frequency f of x means n into p of x. So using this formula, find the entire probabilities. Problem number 2. A car hire firm has 2 cars which it hires out day by day. The number of demands for a car on each day is distributed with a Poisson distribution with mean is equal to 1.5. Calculate the proportion of days in which there is no demand and some demand is refused. So here you observe that this is important problem, many times given in university examinations. The car hire firm has exactly 2 cars. ఒక కారు రెంట్కి ఇచ్చే ఫర్మ్లో 2 కార్స్ ఉన్నాయి. వాళ్ళ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ డిమాండ్స్ ఫర్ ఏ కార్ ఆన్ ఈచ్ డే is distributed random variable and it is following the Poisson distribution with mean lambda is equal to 1.5. Here the random variable x is defined as the number of demands for a car. Here the random variable x is the number of demands for a car. So number of demands means it is a discrete random variable. The demands must be an integer, either 1 demand or 2 demand or 3 demands. It will not be a 1.5, 2.5 like that. Number of demands. So number of demands, it is always a discrete variable, and also given that it follows the Poisson distribution with the lambda parameter where lambda is equal to mean is equal to 1.5. Problem clear? Here x is the number of demands for a car and the random variable x follows the Poisson distribution with the parameter lambda is equal to 1.5. 5. Now we have to calculate the proportion of days in which there is no demand. There is no demand means demand ledante enti? If the number of demands for a car is equal to 0, then we have to find the probability. The probability of x is equal to 0. Right? So the first case probability, the proportion of days in which there is no demand. So P of x is equal to 0. Number of demands 0. X and the number of demands. It is a random variable and it follows the Poisson distribution. Here P of x is equal to 0 means by Poisson law P of x is equal to x demands for a car formula e power minus lambda power x by x factorial or e power minus 1.5 whole power x by x factorial. This is the probability distribution density function. So here I am putting x 0, this value e power minus 1.5 whole power 0 by 0 factorial, the value is e power minus 1.5. So e power 1.5 value, this value is 0.2231. E power minus 1.5 is 0.2231. So similarly, in the second case, you have to find the probability that some demand is refused. Some demand is refused. Demand eppudu refuse chestamante, two cars already engaged ayinayi anukondi. If the two cars are engaged in the business, then he has the provision to refuse the given demand. So in that case, we have to calculate the probability. The number of demands are greater than 2. X defined as number of demands. You are required to find out the probability of x greater than 2. If the number of demands are greater than 2, then he has the he can refuse the demand because he has only two cars in the car firm. So P of x greater than 2 means 1 minus P of x less than or equal to 2. So 1 minus P of x less than or equal to 2. So what is P of x less than or equal to 2? That is 1 minus, so P of 0 plus P of 1 plus P of 2. But what is P of 0? By Poisson law, this is the formula. So e power minus 1.5 whole power 0 by 0 factorial, first value, and second value e power minus 1.5 whole power 1 by 1 factorial and e power minus 1.5 whole square by 2 factorial. So now what is the common term here? E power minus 1.5 taking outside. In the first value, the value 1, second value 1.5, third value 1.5 whole square by 2. So this is 1 minus e power minus 1.5 into 1 plus, so the total value 1 plus, this is 2.5, the entire value is equal to, here it is 0.19115, which is the required problem. Problem number 3. If x is a Poisson random variable such that P of x is equal to 2 is equal to 9 into P of x is equal to 4 plus 90 into P of x is equal to 6, then find mean and standard deviation of the Poisson distribution. So here x follows the Poisson distribution, already given that. So we know that in Poisson distribution, the probability of getting x successes P of x is equal to e power minus lambda into lambda power x by x factorial, where x is equal to 0, 1, 2, so on infinity. Here you have to find mean and standard deviation. Mean means lambda. You have to find mean lambda, standard deviation. Variance also lambda. Standard deviation means root lambda. You have to find mean and standard deviation. So given that, what we have? px is equal to 2 is 9px is equal to 4 plus 90 p of x is equal to 6. So when p of x is equal to 2, the value is e power minus lambda, lambda square by 2 factorial is equal to 9 into, on putting x is equal to 4, e power minus lambda, lambda power 4 by 4 factorial plus 90, p of x is equal to 6, on putting x is equal to 6, e power minus lambda, lambda power 6 by 6 factorial. So here e power minus lambda, e power minus lambda, e power minus lambda gets cancelled. Lambda square by 2 is equal to 9 lambda power 4 by 4 factorial. 4 3s 12, 12 2s are 24 plus 90, e power minus lambda cancelled out, lambda power 6 by 6 factorial. 24 into 30, 720. The value is 720. So this is equal to so I'm cancelling out both sides lambda square also. 1 by 2 is equal to 9 lambda square by 24 plus 90 by 720 into lambda power 4. Or I can write this as 3 3s, 3 8s, 91s, 98s, 9 8s are 72. So here 3 lambda square plus lambda power 4 by 8 is equal to 1 by 2, or 8 is equal to 6 lambda square plus 2 lambda power 4, which I can write it as lambda power 4 plus 3 lambda square minus 4 is equal to 0. So it is a quadratic equation in lambda square. So I am writing in factor notation lambda power 4 plus 4 lambda square minus lambda square minus 4 is equal to 0. 4 lambda square minus lambda square, 3 lambda square. 4 lambda square into minus lambda square minus 4 into lambda power 4. Right. So I am taking out lambda square plus 4 minus 1 into lambda square plus 4 is equal to 0. Or lambda square minus 1 into lambda square plus 4 is equal to 0. So lambda square is equal to 1 and lambda square is equal to minus 4. So lambda value is always positive. So this never be happened, this is ruled out. So lambda is equal to plus or minus 1. So minus 1 also invalid. Therefore lambda is equal to 1. Therefore mean is equal to 1 and standard deviation is also root lambda, that is equal to 1, which is the. Show that in a Poisson distribution with unit mean deviation about the mean is 2 by e times of the standard deviation. We have to show that the mean deviation is equal to 2 by e times of the standard deviation, where mean is equal to 1 given. That is the required problem to show that. So here given mean is equal to lambda is equal to 1 in Poisson distribution, and by Poisson distribution PDF e power minus lambda, lambda power x by x factorial. So e power minus 1, 1 power x by x factorial, or e power minus 1 by x factorial. So this is the probability density function as per the Poisson distribution. Now our required value is expected value of mean deviation. Mean deviation means expected value of modulus x minus mean. So here mean is equal to 1. So expected value of modulus x minus 1, that we have to calculate. Expected value of modulus x minus 1. So by the definition, summation x 0 to infinity modulus x minus 1 into the probability density function of PDF of Poisson distribution. This is summation x0 to infinity modulus x minus 1 into e power 1 by x factorial. This is equal to e power minus 1 constant summation x0 to infinity mod x minus 1 by x factorial. E power minus 1 into, I am putting x0, 0 minus 1, 1 by 0 factorial. I am putting x is equal to 1, 1 minus 1, 0, 0 by 0 factorial, that is 0. When x is equal to 2, 2 minus 1, 1 by 2 factorial. When x is equal to 3, 3 minus 1, 2 by 3 factorial, so on. So you have to evaluate 1 plus 1 by 2 factorial plus 2 by 3 factorial, so on. But what we know that is n by n plus 1 factorial. N by n plus 1 factorial can be written as n plus 1 minus 1 by n plus 1 factorial. That is first value n plus 1 by n plus 1 factorial minus 1 by n plus 1 factorial. This I can write it as n plus 1 by n plus 1 into n factorial minus second term as it is 1 by n plus 1 factorial. So n plus 1 will get cancelled. The value 1 by n factorial minus 1 by n plus 1 factorial. So I am writing e power minus 1, 1 plus, so first term, this term can be written as n by n plus 1 factorial notation. So I can write it as n is 1, n plus 1 is 2. So I can write 1 by 1 factorial minus 1 by 2 factorial plus n by n plus 1 factorial, again the same formula. So n by n plus 1 factorial can be written as 1 by 2 factorial minus 1 by 3 factorial plus 1 by 3 factorial minus 1 by 4 factorial plus so on. So this is equal to e power minus 1 into, so on cancelling out the terms 1 by 2 factorial, 1 by 3 factorial, negative and positive terms, we will get 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2. That is equal to 2 by e. 2 by e. So this I can write it as 2 by e into 1. So because lambda 1, here see one point, given that mean is equal to lambda is equal to 1. That means variance also lambda is equal to 1. Standard deviation is root lambda, that is also 1. So I can write 1 as standard deviation, 2 by e times of the standard deviation, which is the required mean deviation about the mean. Next topic is fitting of Poisson distribution, or this is recurrence formula for probabilities in Poisson distribution. The next topic is fitting of Poisson distribution, or how to get the recurrence formula for getting the probabilities in Poisson distribution. A small derivation is here. We know that by Poisson law, the probability of getting x successes is e power minus lambda into lambda power x by x factorial, where x varies 0, 1, 2, so on infinity. Similarly, the probability of getting x plus 1 successes, or p of x plus 1 is equal to e power minus lambda, lambda power x plus 1 by x plus 1 factorial. Now, I want to divide this by this. Now, p of x plus 1 by p of x is equal to e power minus lambda, lambda power x plus 1 by x plus 1 factorial by p of x, the value e power minus lambda, lambda power x by x factorial. So these two gets cancelled. It is lambda power x into lambda by x plus 1 factorial can be written as x plus 1 into x factorial So numerator look as x factorial and this is lambda power x. So these two gets cancelled. X factorial gets cancelled. The value is lambda by x plus 1. So what we obtained is p of x plus 1 by p of x. P of x plus 1 by p of x is equal to lambda by x plus 1. Therefore, p of x plus 1 is equal to lambda by x plus 1 into p of x. This we call it as the recurrence formula for the probabilities in Poisson distribution. First probability p of 0, you can find the remaining probabilities p of 1, p of 2, p of 3, etc. Write the recurrence formula for the frequencies in Poisson distribution. We know that small f of x frequency is nothing but capital N into probability, N into p of x. Here N into, multiplying both sides with N, we get N into p of x plus 1 is f of x plus 1 is equal to lambda by x plus 1 into small f of x. This is called the recurrence formula for the frequencies. This is the recurrence formula for the probabilities in Poisson distribution. Here the initial frequency means f of 0. We know that p of x is equal to p of x is equal to e power minus lambda power x by x factorial, right? Now p of 0 means I am putting x is equal to 0, e power minus lambda power 0 by 0 factorial or e power minus lambda. Then what is f of 0? F of 0 means n into p of 0, that is capital N into e power minus lambda. This is the initial frequency. The initial frequency f of 0 can be obtained by the formula n into e power minus lambda. So if you know the initial frequency f of 0, you can find the remaining frequencies f of 1, f of 2, f of 3, etc. by using this recurrence formula. So initial frequency can be evaluated by the formula f of 0 is equal to n into e power minus lambda, where lambda is mean in the Poisson distribution and n is the total frequency. Here n means sum of all frequencies, nothing but capital N. So if you know n and lambda, you can find f of 0. If you know f of 0, you can find f of 1. If you know f of 1, you can find f of 2, etc. So that means we call it as the recurrence formula for the frequencies in Poisson distribution, right? Next problem on fitting of Poisson distribution. Fit a Poisson distribution to the set of observations and compare with the actual ones. Here given the values of x and its frequencies. X varies from 0 to 4 and its frequency is 122, 60, 15, 22, 1. We have to fit the data to the Poisson distribution. So here, first find the value of n. N means the sum of all frequencies, 122, 60, plus 15, plus 2, plus 1. So what is the total? 15, 18, 140, plus 60. This is 200. And here, the mean can be calculated by the formula sigma xi into fi by sigma fi. So the data given in x values and its frequencies, the appropriate formula for finding the mean is sigma xi into fi by sigma fi. So here summation xi into fi, 0 into 122, 0, plus 1 into 60, 60, plus 2 into 15, 30, plus 3 into 2, 6, plus 4 into 1, 4 by 200. That is equal to 90, 100 by 200, that is equal to 1 by 2, that is 0.5. The mean of the given distribution is equal to 0.5. But we are going to fit the data to the Poisson distribution. In Poisson distribution, mean is equal to lambda is equal to 0.5. And equating lambda to the 0.5, you will get lambda is equal to 0.5. Now, P of 0, P of x is equal to 0 is, P of 0 is e power minus lambda, lambda power 0 by 0 factorial. That is e power minus 0.5. So, e power minus 0.5, this value is equal to e power minus 0.5. So, like I just said, e power minus 0.5. Then f of 0. F of 0 means initial frequency. This is f of 0, this is f of 1, this is f of 2, 3, 4. So now we are going to find out the same values using Poisson distribution. Now as per this formula, f of 0 is equal to n multiplied by the respective probability n into p of 0. So n we know that 200 into p of 0 is e power minus 0.5. So that is equal to the calculator value 121.306. This is the initial frequency. F of 0 value calculated as 121.306. So the next frequencies can be evaluated by using the recurrence formula. So now table of expected frequencies. The remaining frequencies I am going to calculate using the tabular notation. So x value is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Table values, see the table. X value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And here you write lambda by x plus 1. So what is the lambda value? Lambda is equal to 0.5 and then 0.5 by 0 plus 1. This is 0.5. Then 0.5 by x1, 1 plus 1, 0.5 by 2, that is equal to 0.25. And the third value, 0.5 by 2 plus 1, 0.5 by 3, that is equal to 0.1667. Now when x is equal to 3, 0.5 by 3 plus 1, 0.5 by 4, that means half of this one, 0.125. This value is not required. Now the recurrence formula, the expected frequency formula, f of x plus 1 is equal to lambda by x plus 1 into f of x, which is the recurrence formula for the frequencies in Poisson distribution. Here f of 0 already calculated. What is f of 0? 121.306. Already f of 0 value is calculated. Now we have to f of 1. What is f of 1? F of 1 means f of lambda by x plus 1 when x0 into f of 0. Lambda by x plus 1 when x0 value 0.5 into f of 0 value is 121.306. The remaining frequencies I am calculating using this expected frequencies formula, recurrence formula use chesi find out just now. So that value is, on multiplying 0.5 by 2 exactly, that is approximately 60.665. This is approximately 60.65. Now on coming to f of 2 value. F of 2 means f of x plus 1 when x is equal to 1. F of 2 is nothing but f of x plus 1 when x is equal to 1. x1 rasa anukondi. 1 plus 1, 2. So when f of x plus 1 when x is equal to 1 is nothing but lambda by x plus 1 when x is equal to 1. That value is 0.25 into f of 1. So clearly it is multiplication of the previous two values. Already we had in the binomial distribution also same formula. See here also we are using the same formula. 0.25 into 60.65. That is 15.163 approximately. Now I am coming to f of 3. F of 3 means this value multiplied by this value, 0.1667 into 15.163, that is approximately 2.527. And the last value, f of 4. So f of 4 means the product of this value and this value, 0.125 into 2.527, that is equal to 0.315. So now on making rounder, the values 121.306 can be rounded to the integer 121. This value is 61 and this value is rounded to 15. This is rounded to 3 and this is rounded to 0. So now the frequencies. Now I will give the entire picture of the frequencies. Here x values 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the theoretical frequencies. F of x values by Poisson distribution. So values ఎట్లా వచ్చాయో చూడండి ఒకసారి. The values are 121, this is 121 and this is 61 and next value 15, this is 3, this is 0. Given values, just I will go through the values. This is 122 and this is 60, this is 15, this is 2, this is 1. These are the actual values. These values are obtained on conducting the experiment, and these values are theoretical values, theoretical frequencies using Poisson distribution. These values are nearer to these values. Here it is 122, this is 121. This is 60, 61, 15, 15, 2, 3. There is a slight variation. So these are the nearer fitting values using Poisson distribution.